Hi all. So this time I'll present this topic, how we can translate values from lower to upper in RPG and in embedded SQL in RPG AS400. So I've created one program to show you this. So let's see. We have a percentile xlate function in RPG which we can use to translate values from one case to the upper. So here we can either translate from lower to upper or upper to lower. So we need to specify in from whatever we want to give, either lower or upper, or in two string, that is from upper to lower, anything we can specify. Here comes the string which would get translated, and we have an optional parameter that I showed you, that the starting position, from which start position you want that data to be translated. So this is optional. If you don't specify this, it means that the translation has to be occur from the first position. If you specify this, then the translation has to be occur from the position which you specify. So you can see I have taken two constant, lower and upper. In lower I specified all the letters, lowercase letters and uppercase letters. So you can see this is a string 20 characters of which contains the small cases hello world. Now I translate that string to upper using percentile xlate. Here I specified lower to upper, from and to, that is lower to upper, translate this string, and again I change the data of that string from hello world to change data. Now I translate lower to upper in this string from the starting position 5th. So the translation would occur from this position. So this data would get translated. The same way I can perform the same thing in the SQL as well. That is, if I change the statement to SQL statement, and I would be using the SQL statement in the RPGLE program, means SQL RPGLE program. So I'll be using execute SQL to execute that. I'll use the set code to set this string that I'm translating, and use the upper function to translate the string from lower to upper. So for to upper to lower, I'll use the lower function and then displaying the string. So let's compile this with debug view star so that we can debug. Q&A 27. Let's set the breakpoint, call this program. So you can see currently the string is hello world, which is in a small case. Now it will get translated to upper hello world. We are displaying that. Now the string is change data. We will translate from 5th position. So let's see result. So you can see the translation occur from the 5th position, and the letters below before that are still in lower case. So now the string is a SQL statement, and that again gets translated to upper using the upper function, and then we use the set opcode to in SQL to set that to string, assign that value to the string upper value SQL statement. So you can see how we can translate values from lower to upper in RPG and embedded SQL in RPG AS400. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.